Hey there. Are you ready to learn the basics of physics? Come, let's go. The word physics is derived from the Greek word physis, meaning nature. Let's start by defining what is physics. Physics is the branch of science that deal with the structure of matter and how fundamental constituents of the universe interact. The study of nature and natural phenomena is dealt with in physics. Hence, physics is considered as the most basic of all sciences. It studies objects ranging from very small using quantum mechanics to the entire universe using general relativity. For example, let's take an atom. You can study about structure of the atoms under the atomic physics. Universe. Would you ever think about how scientists calculate the distance? The scientists calculate the distance between the planets and universe by astronomical unit. We will see about astronomical unit in future videos. World. Do you ever think about the mass of our world? We can use the law of universal gravitation to calculate the mass of the Earth in terms of the gravitational force on an object. These are the uses of physics. The first father of physics is Isaac Newton. He discovered the gravity on 1687. Do you want to know the story of invention of physics? Come, let's travel to 1687. On a breezy day, Newton was sitting under the apple tree. Suddenly, due to the heavy wind, the apple from the tree fell on his head. And he started thinking about why this apple is not floating in the air. After many experiments, he proposed the three laws, and he named them gravitation. Example of physics in our day-to-day life. Example 1, alarm clock. Example 2, walking. Example 3, batteries. Come, let's see how these examples work. Alarm clock. You will wake up daily morning by hearing the buzzing sound of the alarm. The sound of the alarm clock helps you to wake every morning. Do you ever think about how the sound from the alarm reaches you? Well, this is because of sound waves traveling in the air and then reaches your ears. This is because of the origin and propagation of acoustic. Walking. For example, you are going to a park from your home. You can easily walk and reach the park. While walking, you have a good grip on the surface without slipping. This is due to friction between your shoes and the surface. Friction is physics. However, when a banana peel comes under your feet, you suddenly fall. Now, what makes you fall? Well, it is due to the friction between your feet, peel and surface. Batteries. Batteries act as a savior of electricity. Benjamin Franklin coined electricity for the first time. Battery work on the principle of capacitance. Hence, capacitance comes under the electricity in physics. Now we see about branches of physics. Physics is divided into two. The first one is classical physics, and another one is modern physics. Classical physics is divided into 7. The first one is mechanics, the second one is optics, the third one is electricity and magnetism, the fourth one is acoustics, the fifth one is relativity, the sixth one is astrophysics, and finally the seventh one is thermodynamics and kinetics, theory of gases. The mechanics in classical physics is further divided into statics and dynamics. Dynamics is further divided into kinematics and kinetics.